Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for February the 4th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. Today's FirstWord Pharma News Roundup is sponsored by Sedgedeem. In our top news story, the FDA granted accelerated approval to Pfizer's Ibrance for the treatment of postmenopausal women with estrogen receptor positive, HER2 negative metastatic breast cancer. Mace Rothenberg, Chief Medical Officer for Pfizer Oncology, said Ibrance represents the first medicine in a new class of anti-cancer agents, CDK4/6 inhibitors, to be approved by the FDA. Also featured, Gilead Sciences revealed that discounts on its hepatitis C therapies Sovaldi and Havoni in the US would climb to an average of 46% this year from 22% in 2014. Analysts had been working on the assumption that Gilead would have to offer discounts of between 25% and 30%. In other news, a study demonstrated comparable efficacy between Amgen's biosimilar candidate ABP 501 and AbbVie's Humira in patients with moderate to severe rheumatoid arthritis. Sean E. Harper, Executive Vice President of R&D at Amgen, said the positive results showed clinical equivalence in efficacy and comparable safety and immunogenicity. In addition, sources suggested that Valeant Pharmaceuticals is considering a possible acquisition of Salix Pharmaceuticals, with Shire also interested in a takeover of the drug maker. The People noted that Valeant has discussed a purchase with advisors, but is cautious about not overpaying to buy Salix. And finally, sources close to the situation said that GlaxoSmithKline has hired financial advisors as it weighs a partial initial public offering for its VIIV healthcare unit. GlaxoSmithKline announced in October last year that it was considering such a move for the HIV business. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Take a look at us now, the new mobile intelligence. Performing better together.